guys, good morning. So, today is April 10. Papansin na naman itong isa. So, last month, nag-decide kami ni Maybelline na i-plan yung birthday ko and have a theme. So, yung theme namin this time is Stranger Things. Wow! So, iti-turn namin yung buong house namin ng mga Stranger Things stuff. Don't break anything! So, ito-turn namin yung house ng Stranger Things team. So, maglalagay kami ng mga Demogorgon, ganyan. So, gumawa na kami lately. Nag-paper mache kami, crafty stuff para masabit sa wall. Tapos, may mga decorations para ma-turn into yung house na parang upside down. Tapos, medyo more realistic tignan. So, yung buong house, may every room to be section. So, itong, kung nakikita niya sa likod, ito yung office ko. So, nag-work from home ako. Ito yung tuturn namin as a squawk. So, yung squawk radio station sa Stranger Things. Magsaset up kami ito ng mga parang yung screen and then merong mic. Tapos yung mismong squawk na sign. May mga, yung nasa likod dyan yung mga poster ng mga records and then movies back in the 1980s kasi that's the theme of the movie or the series. Tapos, yung sa sala gagawin namin, yung mismong sa sala, kung nasan yung tapat ng TV, gagawin namin yung parang kalawil sa buyers, yung buyer's house, which is yung merong ABC written sa back, and then we'll put yung mga Demogorgon around. We'll show you guys yung final look. Pag natapos ito lahat, then we'll take a video of it and we'll show it to you. We'll show din yung mga BTS, mga behind the scenes, kung paano namin ginawa yung mga Demogorgons, and then yung kung paano namin pinaint, and then all that. But yeah, come with us para makita nyo lahat. So, ito yung malaking Demogorgon. Pinipaint pa siya. Hindi pa nalagay yung pangil. So, that's the last coat. Tapos, ito yung body. Si Babay nag-aayos yan. Yung hands. Yung mga last finishing touches na lang. And then, lagyan na namin yan sa lab. Here's the other one. So, tapos na to. Bubuksan lang yung light on the day. Pero ito yung rip. So, para siyang nag-show nung rip sa Stranger Things. And then this side, yung clock na ginawa din namin. Yung sa bahay ni Vecna. And then ito yung isa. And gumagawa na ako ng mga tentacles. Tentacles ba tawag dito? Yung mga galamay ni Vecna. So, cling wrap lang to na black. Tapos, i-roll lang. So, you have to make it very long. Para walang masyadong dugtong-dugtong. Pag nakat na siyang ganyan, para hindi sayang, I'll cut this into half. Magiging itsura niya ngayon, ganito na. Yan. And then, kailangan lang gawin is, ganito. Para lang mukha siyang, parang cord. Same thing na ginawa namin dun sa likod, if you can see dun sa side. Same thing lang din. Maganda to pag madilim na. Okay. Kasi mukha siyang lipstick. Gawa na ang siguro mga ilan pa nito. Pag napit ko ako pwede na sa medyo madami para sa entrance. Medyo mag-walk ako. Feeling. Mag-walk ako. Ayan. Make it as long as possible. Medyo madami ko. Sa lilit ko, may papasok. Kaya siya. Ano siyang tenta. Wow! Yung tsura niya. So, pwede natin doon with the tape and scissors. Okay. So, ito yung entrance. You can see behind me. Ayan. Natatanggal yung mga poster na yan. Basically, Dito natin yung lalagay. Diyan. Ay, ito mo yan. Yan. Mag-start tayo sa taas. Nag-print kami nung D&D board. Wala kaming A3, so didikit ni Mama yung apat na A4. Kaya mo yan, love.
Dapat sumakto siya. Ano kung hindi? Tapos, dinit niya na ang double-sided. Kaya mas confused ako. Galing.
Smart ka naman yung magagawa mo yan.
Almost tumama.
It's
Almost.
coming together. Oh, it's pretty good. Nice! Can I see? See? Hindi mo nalata. Kaka-ant lang siya, pero it's okay. Bababa yung pag tinipa sa gitna. Yes! And we're printing more stuff. More grayish. So, getting ready for next week kasi next week na yung party. Ano, hindi ka tumigil. Kalisi, it's gonna be your turn. Wait for Hunter. So, pinapag-grooming si Hunter at the moment. Tapos, next si Kalisi. Pero, hindi siya mapakali. Akala mo naman. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ha? Ikaw na next. You have to shower. Usually it takes mga 4 hours for both of them i-groom. So someone na pumunta dito sa bahay para paliguan sila. Habang nag-shower sila, mag-continue kami ng decor dito tsaka ng pagka-crafty craft stuff. Pag-create ng mga stuff for the birthday. But yeah, it's getting there. Excited na kami. It's getting there! Nice. Oh,
Maybe.
uy, ano? Nagawa mo?
Gusto ko na mag-walk.
Wow. Yung chan ni Demogorgon.
Pangit ba?
Hindi, ano eh. Artist ang peg mo dyan. Tumatanggap po kayo na ng order. Yung mga gato kalaking order po, mga $300. Nice. Mukha na ba siyang body?
Ano ba siya?
Oo.
Ano na ba siya? May shape.
Nagkaka-definition na siya. Nagkaka-abs na siya.
Yun nga eh. Yun nga yung aim ko eh. Sana magka-abs siya ng konti.
Nice. Wow. Ha?
Kailangan natin linis.
Yeah. Clean shower! Alam mo na yan, ha? Have to take this one out. Patay na yung bear, oh. Bear is dead.
Na-massacre na yung bear. It's Hunter! Yay! It's Hunter!
So, si Kalisi naman na turn. This is turn. Whoa. Ito yung tsura na after. Nothing. Ang hirap mag ng tentacles eh. Baba yun pa. Go love! You can do it! The details. And this too. Kayo, walang ambag? Walang ambag tong dalawa eh.
Ang i-open.
So, ito yung magiging lab. Sobrang gulo pa. Kasi basura pa kami dyan.
Magkano naman eh. hard rubbish collection.
Yeah. Ano yan?
Ano siya? Parang hazmat.
Ah.
Parang siyang ano siyang protective
Nasabit mo.
gear. PPE.
Ah, yeah, you can hang it like what you said.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
See?
Maybe not yet kasi hanginin.
Yeah, pero at least
Stretch it up. Yung mga props na parang may kunyari, ano dyan. Tapos may siyang mga, ano
may
yan?
hanger ba tayo? Mga specimen.
Specimen. Specimen A, B, C.
Actually.
Saan? Yung snake. Ito siya parang screen dyan.
Lagyan ko siya. Ang ganyan.
Waist bag. Ilagay mo sa loob.
Ilan na ganyan dyan. Tapos isa or dalawa dito.
Cute! Ito yung mga labels niya. Alagay dyan. Ay. Ayan. Morning, guys! So, today is 12th of April, Sunday. So, the party will be this coming Saturday. We only have Monday to Friday to finish everything. Pero today, try namin gawin yung kaya namin gawin. Parang hindi namin niisipin for later on or closer to the time. So, basically, anything that goes on the wall, goes up to the ceiling, we'll try to do it na hindi maabot ng dogs. Kasi usually, if it's lower to the ground or like merge nila, they will try to like break it or take it. So, and then after that, we'll give you a bit of a tour and how it looks like now versus how it looks like on the day. As you know, yung garage will turn into a lab. So that's going to be a laboratory from the Hawkins. So it will be inspired from that part there. So we'll do yung mga little details and finish that off. And then clean up yung mga rubbish na nandun. May schedule kami nakabook na hard waste rubbish, which is a 15. So basically, that's from the council. You can usually book it online. And when you book it online, then they will get all your rubbish o basura sa bahay. And they can throw it away for you. But we have that organized and sorted. So we cleaned the house already. So tinapon yung mga dapat itapon, yung mga dapat dispose. We have everything there. And then we're gonna bring them out. And then after that, then we can actually finish off yung setup. And then sa loob ng bahay, we'll try to do everything here. And then we'll show you the final look.
Yes?
Compound X is high hazard.
Avoid skin
contact. Avoid skin contact, store in controlled environment. Pero,
Slime.
bango. Come on.
Yeah, it looks so good.
So, yung next, natin is
Specimen A13.
A13. Status unstable. Movement detected.
Ito yung movement.
Ito yung niya.
Spider. Infested flare.
Yikes. Dapat medyo nakalabas yung spider.
Ala.
But medyo siya.
Wala, medyo na siya.
Medyo dried up.
Wait, ilabas natin si
Ilabas mo.
spider.
Yan. Ay, hindi siya like slimy. So, medyo siya thick.
Oo. Pero ilagay natin siya dyan. Para makikita na meron. Ito naman kasi dito sa kabila.
Ayan. It's better kasi you can see it from here.
Okay.
Nice. Gusto mo ba kalambad?
Dapat pala i-tape natin.
Hey. Nice.
Ganyan.
Perfect. Meron kami yan. Fuel for fighting demons. Yung mga cook. And drinks. Ready for the day. So, may nag-install na kami ng lights. May mga cellophane doon. Nilagay mo cellophane yung lights. Mabakas ako lang. Whoa! So, ito yung first run. Pagpasok ka ito yung door. Pagpasok mo, yung controlled access area. Kasi ito yung lab corridor. So, meron pang mga ano dyan, yung mga curtains na nalagay namin na parang, ang tawag nila? Tinsels? Tinsels. Magaya mga tinsels. Tinsels dyan. At pagkapasok ko. Ayan. So, yung mga food will be here sa kitchen bench. Tapos, i-leave namin yan off para hindi siya sa mga liwanag. May mga food din dyan. Tapos, pagliko mo dito, andyan yung lab. Yung mga other props pa kami nalagay in terms of mga parang blood, mga fake blood. Dito na kunyari na-experiment si Demogorgon. Tapos yan yung parang fake screen, monitor, yung mga biohazard, chemical chuchu. So ito yung parang additional monitor there. So yun yung mga lagyan mga pagkain. Put that one out. So balik mo sa loob. This is so nice. Ito yung squawk. We have a squawk dito. Tapos nakita mo dyan on air. Oh, meron ka pa dyan. Ano yung mga cassettes? Cassette. Display namin dyan. Tapos, dyan si Vecna. Dyan din parang Vec dito. Dyan sa wall. Tapos, ito, pupunta sa middle. Kakalat pa namin yung walkie-talkie na malaki na yan. Kakalat pa namin around. Pero itsura niya is like this. Yan, ginawa lang namin from cardboard. Tapos, ito yung parang D&D. Kunyari nagpe-play ng games. Yung mga, bumili kami nito sa marketplace. Hindi makita masyado. Parang siyang 3D printed. Ang mga ano. Ang angas nga. Alin? Kay Brian. Ng Christmas. Ayan yung D&D. Tapos, pwede din. Tapos may mga ganyan ka mga old film. May naka-ano ako. But people could have a look ano yun nandyan sa loob. Tapos ito yung missing wall. Missing wall kami dyan. Tapos may fake telephone here. Ito yung snack bar. So, here, magkakaroon ng parang mga popcorn. Mga popcorn nandyan. Tapos may slushy machine dito. Kaming hinar. So, darating siya on the day. Pero darating siya 3 hours. 3 hours before, no? 3 hours before. Yung slushy. Kasi matagal daw siyang mag-frozen. Umaga siya darating. And then, ito yung pinaka-wall dun nila sa buy yourself. Yung ABC. So, lagyan namin siya ng Christmas lights. Tapos, ito yung mga dogs. They'll stay outside the whole night. Oh, baby! Pero meron silang ganito. Caution, demo dogs, enter your own risk. So, we'll put some treats around here. Para yung mga people na gustong magbigay ng treats sa kanila, they could do that. They're gonna be so pampered. Because people will keep giving them treats. And then, ito yung parang clock ni Vecna dun sa house niya. Tapos, we'll have something playing sa TV like this. Tapos, may music. Connect lang sa speaker na love para medyo malakas.
Oo. Tapos ito yung mga comics.
Yeah, tapos ito meron pang isa dito. Wait lang, pakita ko. Meron pa ditong isa pa. Tapos we have comics here. Yung mga old comics na we got from, ano yun? The Mill, no, love? Amazing Mill sa Dalesford. So, parang vintage shop, mga old stuff. So, we got that from there. And then, etong Surfer Boy Pizza. We're getting pizza na already made. And we'll put in the box. Nice! Meron siya, nakuha niya yung, tingnan ako. Cute!
Para it's not too much.
Yeah. But ilalagay dyan yung slushy machine. You might have to want to put that somewhere else.
Kaya, pero kung hindi nga dyan, di ba sabi mo,
Yeah.
okay, hindi dyan. Kung hindi, dito.
Dyan. Nice.
Yan. No?
Para may lighting that side.
Oo.
Or we can put it in the corner. Kailangan ito isaksak, love.
Huh?
Kailangan ito isaksak at some point. Di battery ba yan?
Hindi ko lang. On and off. Battery. May battery din siya.
Off mo muna. Yeah.
Yeah, battery
I think last time naubusan kasi siya ng battery.
pag ganun. Eh, di may USB siya.
We'll connect it to USB in the end pag naubusan. So, yun. Tapos tinakpan namin yung mga frame namin ng something else. Para to din vibe. Nice! Ang ganda, love! Thank you po. Yes! So, it's gonna be 1 week na lang. 1 week before the party. Yeah! See you guys soon! Today's Friday, so bukas na yung party. So, finish na namin yung mga little things. So, add few more things and then change some bits. But, we're sticking this. She's sticking it pala si Papa. So, there you go.
Yan yung mga lahat ng guests na nag-confirm and hindi nag-confirm.
And hindi
Hindi
nag-confirm.
makaka-confirm dahil nasa kotse
Ayan.
na. Dahil puma-party.
Party nyo na lang kami mga besh. But the rest will be coming.
Yes.
Tapos ito yung iba. So, mga other people pa dito. Tapos pag dumating sila, idea to ni Baba. Pakita mo, love. So, pag dumating sila dito, may nakita ditong located.
Located. Hindi na sila missing.
Yay! So, we'll cut that off and then they could stick it close to sa picture nila anywhere, somewhere sa photo nila area. So, they could do that.
Para, oh yes, you're ticked.
You're here.
You're here.
And
Should we put it in the middle? Or
Put it- yeah, put it in there.
Yan.
Nice.
Luto na tayo ng adobo. Asawa ko, prinito na siya kanina.
So, 10:25 na. Kakarating na ni Jake ng mga 10. Si Chef.
I'm Jake. Yes. We're doing a brine for the chickens. We're doing brine for the chickens and because we're going to make some honey soy chicken and some buffalo wings.
Wow, English! English si Chef!
But one is, para sa akin, 1:2. So like 1 cup ng salt then 2 cups of sugar
Wow!
para mag-balance ng yung lasa. Tapos babad mo lang overnight para mas manood yung lasa.
Oh, iba si Chef.
Pag naglilinis ng chicken, tatanggalin lang tong palikpik tapos tong edge. Kasi pag mamali ka ng kain, baon sa iyong lalamunan. Tapos hiwain na natin siya sa mismong joint ng chicken dito. Yan. Vloggerist. Si Chef Boy Negro. Oo. So, ito. Ayan
Yung kitchen hand.
Ah.
Basta kita mo, itong edge to, pag ganun. Kahit basta tanggalin mo lang yung dulo.
Makinig ka lang
Tapos
You're
yung edge.
Okay.
Ano?
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin.
Ay, yung extra finger, no?
Wag.
Bango.
Ito na yung brine.
Lahat ng seasoning.
Umapaw.
Kulang pang kailangan. Hi guys! Good afternoon! So today is the 18th of April. So tonight na yung party! Yes! So, mga final touches na lang yung ginagawa namin tonight. Ito sila. Nilagay niya na lang yung sa ibabaw dyan. Na-organize niya na. And then, ito nag-login ng YouTube para walang ads. Nakaset up na yung D&D dyan. Ito na yung mga bean bags. And then, ready na to. Dito namin nalagay na yung pizza. Kasi supposedly, lalagay namin yung slushy machine dito. Kaso, sobrang heavy daw niya. 78 kg. So, this can't carry that. So, we'll just put yung pizza here and other snacks. And then, yung mga wanted. The slushy is here. So, for this one, it takes daw 3 hours to mag-freeze up yung mga maging slushy. So, we'll just have to wait ng mga few more hours. Tapos, lalagyan namin yung alcohol inside. Tapos, that should be ready to drink. Ito yung mga container. Yung food, pipick upin na lang ni Jeric. And then, we'll just transfer it on that containers. And then, si Jake magluluto ng mga chicken later. And yung mga container niya, ready na for him. So, yung mga mix niya. And then, saing ng rice. And that's it!
No pictures.
So, we're cooking the chicken now. Yay! For the buffalo wings and consoy. This is wings. That's why it's buffalo wings. This is the calamari. Calamari. With my secret milk. The slushy machine. Slushy machine. Yes. This is Cosmopolitan and Margarita. I always mix it.
Hi! Hi! Hi, Chef! Oh my God! Johnny! Oh my God!
What's reached importance. Throughout the evening, the victim moved through the group, speaking privately with several guests. Some of them were finished, and some of them may have revealed more than they should have. Then it became clear that this was something more serious. The event has now been contained while everyone here tries to understand what happened.
Take it up! Take it up!
Well done, everyone! We would like to give this award to the Best Detective Award. Sino kaya yung Best Detective Award of this night?
Janica.
Yeah. It's her, yeah. We've been asking questions and
Who is the most suspicious award?
Blame it on me.
This is awarded to the person raising eyebrows, dodging questions, and keeping everyone guessing. It goes to Brian. We would like to give the Best Costume Award. Guesses? Any guesses? This award goes to Kurt and Steven. And lastly, for the outstanding commitment to character, dramatic delivery, and making the night unforgettable.
doctor. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. So di na ako napag-vlog kagabi. So sobrang lasing ko and bangingi na si lola nyo. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung aftermath ng bahay. So this side is okay. Sa likod ko. So it's okay. Pero this side, so wala na yung mga people. Lumuwi yung mga tao kagabi. Mga, I think, 3 o'clock na. So, nagstay sila until then. We did karaoke. And then, this side is not bad. So, nalungan lang kami magligpit kahapon. This side as well too. Thank you sa mga tumulong maglinis kagabi. So, para sa dogs. Kasi kailangan i-clear up lahat ng whatever nasa ibabaw. Kasi baka abutin nila. And then this side, ito na yung magulo. You can see from here, the slushie machine is finished. Naubos yung slushie machine. And then naubos din yung mga alak. So all the hard spirits are gone. And then this side, yung mga food na ubos din. Whatever yung natira dito. May mga natira pa. Magiging mga natira pa. Pansit na ubos. Adobo. Ano ba natira? Chop suey sobrang dami pa. So, yan yung mga pwede pa naming itabi. So, and that side too. So, ang glue. Look at that. The aftermath. And the floor are so sticky. This side. Sobrang good. Well, I guess it's time for us to clean up. Uyat din ang mga dilgos. Tulog ang inyan. Matulog pa yan ulit.
Hindi nga sila
Ay.
nag-ask for food.
No, din no. Ano kasi hamster, oh. Bangingi. Hala, oh.
Oh, ano yan?
Ano din?
Ano yan? Ay, susto.
Pagod din. Nalagi.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm sorry, baby. We have to stay up.
Pinuyat din natin. Ay, pikit-pikit pa siya. Oh.
He's not very happy, oh, no? You're not very happy?
I was thinking to take them outside as well.
Yeah. Naramdaman ko bumalik yung ano, tapos na bumalik na ako doon.
Alam mo ang technique sa pag-inom?
Ano?
Pagkalunok mo, huwag kang mag-inhale. Yung fumes ng alcohol, iihip mo palabas.
Kasi nalalabas mo yung ano.
Yung parang spirit ng alcohol.
Grabe yung grabe.
Eliminate.
After na, clean na. clean. Tatagayin namin to lahat. And the dog, tatanggal na din yung dog. Nanap mo?
Wala kang ano? Bakit?
Walang bakit.
Bakit?
Bakit wala akong bakit?
Wala namin bakit. Ay, meron pala. Tanggalin mo yung laman nung nung Hawkins Lab. Ayun, no? Bakit yan malaki? Ayan.
Ito?
Oo.
Oo.
Bakit ng syrup? It's nature ng house. Malinis-linis na after 3 hours of cleaning. So, medyo malinis. Pero yung floor, hindi pa namin na-mop. But, yeah. So, just gonna end this vlog here. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!